Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a grid for drawing in an app. First, open your drawing application and create a new canvas. Next, activate the grid overlay feature, usually found in the View or Settings menu. Adjust the grid size to your preference, perhaps to 1 inch or 2 centimeter squares. This initial setup is crucial for establishing a foundational structure for your artwork, making the drawing process much more manageable and precise from the very beginning. To effectively set up your grid, navigate to your app's preferences or view options. Here, you'll find controls to enable the grid and fine-tune its appearance. You can change the grid line color to something contrasting, like a light gray or a soft blue, and adjust its opacity so it doesn't overpower your drawing. Setting the grid spacing, for example, to 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter allows for precise control over your proportions, ensuring accuracy across your entire composition. When you begin drawing, concentrate on transferring the content of one grid square from your reference to the corresponding square on your canvas. This breaks down complex images into smaller, more manageable parts. Pay close attention to the angles of lines and the curves of shapes within each square. Start with light, foundational sketches, gradually building up detail. This methodical approach helps prevent errors and ensures your drawing maintains accurate proportions throughout the entire creative process. After you've established the primary outlines and proportions using the grid, you can gradually reduce its opacity or even hide it temporarily. This allows you to see your artwork more clearly as you move into adding details, textures, and shading. Once you feel confident with the overall structure, completely turn off the grid. This final step helps you evaluate your drawing as a complete piece, enabling you to make any last-minute adjustments to ensure a polished and professional result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.